I am not here to build a shiny new building, simply to build a new building. I am here because what we have is inhumane and borderline unconstitutional.
And thanks for joining us tonight. We are coming up on 5 years since a Dane County study said the jail needed to be updated with, quote, due haste because of the risk for liability and poor conditions.
But today, about 365 people are still housed on floors 6 and 7 of the city-county building. Naomi Coles is outside there tonight. Naomi?
This is hung up at a county level once again, now thanks to a $23 million increase over and above the $148 million already approved. It's now been almost 5 years since that study that told the county they needed to get residents out of the building quickly. Now Sheriff Calvin Barrett is considering pricier alternatives for safe housing.
Some of them are 8-person cell blocks, some of them are 4-person cell blocks.
5 years is not, in my opinion, due haste when it comes to closing a building that we all agree is inhumane and not safe.
County supervisors have long been split on the Dane County Jail Consolidation Project. It would close these outdated jail floors of the city-county building and consolidate all 3 jail locations into one new facility.
Delays and deviations from this plan continue to threaten the health and life of those living, working, and volunteering within our city-county building.
Last week, 3 supervisors voted against the extra $23 million. They said it was because they didn't have all the information needed and because they wanted other options exhausted first for lowering the jail population.
I've been struggling with what to do. I've seen the jail. I've been in it. It's not a good place.
The independent group calculating these costs for the county attributes the $23 million estimated increase entirely to the pandemic. Now, Sheriff Calvin Barrett says he's forced to research far more costly temporary options. Topping the list, sending the 365 people that the CCB can house to other counties.
That is money that is going to be on the burden of us as taxpayers to be paying that, and that money has no return back to us.
A solution that comes with a hefty $13 million a year price tag, a tag that doesn't even include massive extra transportation and labor costs.
It really comes down to what price do we put on humanity?
For the alternative housing plan, the sheriff would not need the county board's approval. That extra $23 million for the jail consolidation project, that passed the committee on a close 4-3 vote last week. It goes now this Wednesday to the Finance Committee before being forwarded to the full county board for debate.